BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm the only person in this space, mate, with a freaking 45,000 video track record in 5 years, and it's only in those last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to figure this stuff out, which you obviously do not have to do. With my bearish idea that I got, it's still pending, right? It's still a guaranteed BE. I mean, worst case scenario, it comes back down to break even, but with this, yeah, this is the video that I'm talking about. At the time, the price was already sitting at like $61.91, and I've changed nothing. You know, I got 6 likes, which is interesting because most of the times on the short side, I just got 1 because people are hating. But since then, it's been delivering very freaking nicely. And yeah, I'm waiting to see what the outcome of this is going to be. This is not forever. This is for now. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce in emails, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated.